So I would say that some of the fundamental tick boxes that businesses have to ensure they've covered when they're expanding is definitely fulfillment, but also localized payments as well. Klarna is a global provider of the payment options that we offer, particularly in the Nordic regions where the ability to pay after delivery is very important to offer these services as a retailer. Also Germany being one of our highest volume markets as well. So if you are a retailer and you are trading in these two specific territories, it makes sense to offer consumers the choice in which they expect as a norm. Klarna is also available in all sorts of other different territories, but we're available in the US as well and have an audience of consumers that are already using Klarna's Pay in 4 and Pay Later as a service. So among the things you would do as an expanding retailer, I would definitely recommend you localize payments and offer the choice that Klarna provides.